In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Chrome sync paused problem. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So what you want to do is once you have Google Chrome open, all you want to go ahead and do is press the three little dots on the top right, then go over to settings. Then navigate to privacy and security, which is this option right here. Then go to third-party cookies. Now, once you're here, next to allow to use third-party cookies, go ahead and click add. Once you click add, type in whatever you want, or like even just like google.com, and then press click add. This ensures your login token remains active even if you clear other browsing data, since when you erase cookies, your passwords and everything are going to reset. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, what you could also do if the sync is stuck in an eternal loop, you can force Chrome to refresh its connection to the Google servers without reinstalling the app. So what we want to go ahead and do is within your search bar, you want to go ahead and type this in. It's going to be like this. You can copy and paste it or just like pause it if you want to. And on the right side, find the trigger get updates button. And then once you go ahead and find that, all you got to do is click it. If you see many red arrows, click the stop sync, keep data button at the top and restart Chrome and sign back in. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.